This is the most extensive railway set from BRIO, with 87 pieces. It lets your imagination run wild. When pushing this yellow line metro train, both lights and sound go on, and you can watch the train through the tunnel hole. Push the metro train into the metro station. The station doors can be opened and closed with a simple turn on the knob. A passenger steps on the metro train on his way to work and hopes to catch the connecting train on time. The metro train arrives to the two-level station, and the passenger hurries to the lift operated by the knob on the back of the tower. Just in time! The travel train takes him down the hill and all the way to his workplace at the harbour. A ship can easily dock at this clever harbour to let the crane pick up the important cargo. The cargo can then be placed on a lorry or a train wagon to continue its journey. When the freight train has passed the road crossing, you can open the barriers to let the cars go by. Several road tracks are included in this set, but you can also let the cars go off the ramps, into the free surroundings. This set includes 3 stations, 3 bridges, rail and road tracks, metro train, passenger train, freight train, a bus and a lorry. Even a harbour crane with accompanying freight ship is included in this great set. There are plenty of details, including a ticket machine, a road sign, and 5 characters. This BRIO set gives you a superior experience of play. All tracks are made of high-quality European beech wood, the Deluxe Railway Set from BRIO.